If you're looking for a simple cream cheese frosting recipe to either frost 12 cupcakes or one 2-layer 8 or 9-inch cake, then this is the perfect recipe for you. You're going to start by adding 8 ounces of Brooke style cream cheese and 1 stick of softened butter to a mixer or to a bowl to use your hand mixer on. And once that has started blending together, go ahead and add 1 teaspoon of vanilla extract. Next, add 4 cups of powdered sugar. You can add less if you want to, but don't add less than 2 cups. And I just want to mention here that I did double this recipe to generously frost 24 cupcakes. Now you're just going to mix it together until it looks like this. And this is a good frosting if you want to pipe it onto cupcakes or cake. Here's what it looked like after I piped it onto our cupcakes for Becca's birthday. And as you can see, Abigail really enjoyed her cupcake. So if you guys enjoyed this video and found this recipe helpful, make sure to give it a thumbs up and to share. And I'd love to hear how it turned out for you, so make sure you leave a comment below. And if you haven't already, don't forget to subscribe and turn on your notifications so you can see all the recipes that we post. Talk to you guys soon. Bye!